Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best cordless impact wrenches that bring power and portability to your toolbox. Whether you're working on cars, construction projects, or heavy-duty tasks, these tools deliver the torque you need without the hassle of cords. We'll break down the top models, their key features, and what makes them stand out. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, let's get started. Number 5. ONEVAN Electric Impact Wrench. If you're in the market for a powerful, reliable, and versatile electric impact wrench, the ONEVAN 3100N.M Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench deserves your attention. With an impressive 4.6-star rating and over 100 reviews, it's clear that this tool delivers what it promises. Exceptional features. One standout feature is its brushless motor technology, which ensures durability and efficiency. Unlike traditional motors, the brushless design eliminates sparks and reduces wear, making it ideal for heavy-duty and long-term use. Another highlight is its high torque output of up to 3100N.M, making it perfect for tackling the toughest nuts, bolts, and screws with ease. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this wrench can handle demanding tasks effortlessly. Enhanced user experience. The ONEVAN wrench is designed with advanced speed control, allowing for precise operation with a stepless speed change, switch ranging from 0-8,000 RPM. This flexibility ensures optimal performance across a variety of applications. Its tungsten steel shaft enhances durability with high hardness and wear resistance, guaranteeing the tool can withstand rigorous use. Additionally, the versatile power options make it convenient to select a configuration that suits your needs. Choose from models with 1, 2, or no batteries with a 22,900 mAh capacity, ensuring extended run times. Number 4. Gisam Electric Impact Wrench. The Gisam 3100N.M High Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench is a top-tier tool designed for power and precision, making it an excellent addition to any professional or DIY enthusiast's arsenal. With a 3/4-inch square drive and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this wrench combines versatility and strength in a compact, cordless design. Unmatched performance. This wrench is equipped with a brushless motor that enhances durability and efficiency by eliminating sparks and minimizing wear. With a maximum torque of 3100N.M, it's powerful enough to handle even the most challenging tasks, from construction site projects to automotive repairs. The stepless speed change switch offers precision, allowing you to adapt the speed to the demands of each application. Number 3. Dewalt DCF 892-20V Brushless Electric Impact Wrench. The Dewalt DCF 892-20V Brushless Electric Impact Wrench is a game-changing tool that combines power, precision, and convenience in a compact design. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, this upgraded version of the DCF 894 offers the perfect blend of performance and control. Exceptional features. One standout feature is the precision wrench control. Number 2. KOTUMY Heavy Industry Impact Wrench. For industrial-grade projects that demand strength and reliability, the KOTUMY Heavy Industry Impact Wrench is a standout choice. Designed for heavy-duty applications, this electric torque wrench is the ultimate tool for auto repair, construction, and demanding industrial tasks. With its impressive torque range, robust build, and precision design, the KOTUMY wrench sets a new benchmark for performance. Unrivaled power and versatility. The KOTUMY Impact Wrench offers multiple configurations to suit your specific needs. Number 1. BOSCH GDS 18V 400 Impact Wrench. The BOSCH GDS 18V 400 Impact Wrench is a powerhouse tool that combines strength, durability, and advanced technology to meet the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Designed for precision and heavy-duty performance, this 18V brushless cordless tool is perfect for automotive repairs, construction, and industrial projects. Unmatched power and efficiency. With a maximum torque of 400 Newton meters, the Bosch GDS 18V 400 delivers impressive force, capable of handling M20 bolts and 30 millimeters nuts with ease. Whether you're tightening bolts or loosening stubborn fasteners, this tool gets the job done efficiently and reliably. Its Bosch brushless motor enhances performance by delivering greater efficiency and a longer service life compared to brush models. Advanced features for maximum control.
Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.